Picture this. An aircraft detects a failing part 3 days before the mechanic even notices it. Or imagine a pilot getting the perfect flight path calculated in real time, saving thousands of dollars and cutting fuel emissions in half. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now in the cockpits and hangars of the world's leading airlines. And it's all thanks to artificial intelligence in avionics. In the next few minutes, we're breaking down the 5 game-changing breakthroughs that are literally reshaping aviation as we know it. These aren't incremental improvements. These are transformative technologies that are making flights safer, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. So stick around, because what you're about to see is the future of flight. And it's already here. Let's start with the first breakthrough: predictive maintenance, and this is truly a game changer. AI systems are now analyzing real-time sensor data from aircraft to predict mechanical failures before they happen. Instead of waiting for something to break and costing airlines thousands in downtime, AI can tell maintenance crews exactly when a part needs replacement. Think about what this means: reduced maintenance costs, extended aircraft lifespan, and, most importantly, enhanced safety. Major operators are already seeing significant operational savings from this technology alone. It's a win-win-win situation. Operators save money, aircraft stay safer, and flights run on schedule. Moving on to the second breakthrough: intelligent flight management systems. Modern flight management systems equipped with AI are now functioning as the cockpit's digital co-pilot. They process massive data sets in real time: weather patterns, air traffic, fuel consumption, turbulence forecasts, to optimize flight paths dynamically. What does this mean for you? Better fuel efficiency, smoother passenger experiences, reduced carbon emissions, smarter navigation around weather systems. Airlines are literally saving millions annually through optimized routing alone. This is efficiency on a scale we've never seen before. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Let's talk about the numbers. The AI and aviation market isn't just growing, it's exploding. We're talking about growth from $1.75 billion in 2025 to a projected $4.6 billion by 2030. That's a compound annual growth rate of 22.6%. And that's not a typo. Why is this happening? Because every major player is investing heavily. Airbus, Boeing, Honeywell, Collins Aerospace, they're all racing to integrate AI into avionics, and government investment is equally massive. The U.S. Department of Defense allocated $849.8 billion for 2025, with a significant portion supporting AI and autonomous systems in aerospace. When the government, the biggest manufacturers, and airlines are all betting this heavily on AI, you know something transformative is happening. The fourth breakthrough gets a little technical, but it's absolutely brilliant. It's called deterministic AI, and it's different from other AI systems you might have heard about. Unlike some AI systems that might behave unpredictably, deterministic AI always produces the same output for the same input. That's crucial in aviation, where consistency and reliability aren't optional, they're everything. Honeywell's Anthem system is a perfect example of this in action. It features what they call anticipatory AI that literally predicts pilot needs before they're even fully articulated. It automatically brings up the correct flight deck fields, it reduces pilot workload significantly, and crucially, it keeps humans in command while making them exponentially more efficient. This is AI augmenting human expertise, not replacing it. This is the partnership model that aviation needs. And finally, let's talk about the fifth breakthrough: human-AI collaboration and safety. Recent advancements show that AI in aviation isn't about removing pilots from the equation. It's about making them superhuman. AI enhances decision-making in complex situations. It recognizes patterns across massive datasets faster than any human could. It maintains situational awareness in poor weather conditions. It enables real-time troubleshooting and diagnostics that would take human experts hours to complete. Pilots remain the ultimate decision makers, but they now have an AI co-pilot processing information at machine speed. Safety goes up, efficiency goes up, reliability goes up. So there you have it. 5 incredible breakthroughs showing how AI is revolutionizing aviation avionics. From predictive maintenance saving lives and money, to intelligent flight systems making aviation cleaner and more efficient. AI isn't just the future of avionics anymore. It's here today. The industry is growing at breakneck speed, and we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. Think about what the next 5 years will bring. Think about what commercial aviation will look like in a decade when AI is as standard as the autopilot. If you're passionate about aviation, technology, or innovation, this is a space to watch. This is where the future is being built. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this valuable, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into cutting-edge technology that's shaping our world. We've got more videos coming that explore the intersection of AI, airspace, and the future. You don't want to miss what's next. See you in the next one.